Faceless YouTube channels can change your life. So I want to present to you 4 reasons why you need to start a faceless YouTube channel this year. The number 1 reason is obvious: to make money. And you're not just going to make money with a faceless channel that you do not show your face. You will make passive income. Passive income has nothing to do with easy money. Passive income is all about making money from all the efforts you have put in the past. So you have to do the work now so that in the future you will continue to make money from your videos. And that is what a faceless channel gives you. So you can make passive income without having to work like freelancers do. They have to trade their time for money. No, videos that you create today that are in evergreen topics, maybe in the finance, in the health, in the relationship, can be watched 2 months, 5 months, a year, 5 years from now, even 10 years from now, and you continue to make money from them. You can also make money from affiliate marketing, especially when you choose a niche that has digital products, like in the business niche, finance niche, wealth niche, relationship niche, and AI niche. Those niches has plenty of products that you can promote to your audience, and when they buy, you get about 20% to 40%, 50%, and even above as commission for the effort you put in to bring the customer. So as you begin to grow your channel and get more loyal viewers and loyal ambassadors, you can create a digital product to sell to them that can be right now on my finance and wealth niche. I'm creating a digital product. I started with an ebook, which has sold a few hundreds, and I'm transitioning to online courses and memberships for them as well. Another reason why you need to start a faceless YouTube channel this year is that AI simplifies the process. In the past, you have to do everything yourself, coming up with ideas, coming up with script writing, coming up with your own voice. And you know, if you're from Africa, your voice, your accent may not be what the whites, the Oyibo are looking for. They prefer someone who speaks like them. I'm talking about accent right now. But with AI, 11 Labs, Morph, and so many of them Play.ht, there are so many AI text-to-speech out there. And you can even clone a voice, maybe your brother's voice, your client's voice, with their permission. Or you can decide to pay someone to use an AI voice to voice over your script. So now AI makes it easy. You can use AI for voice over, like I said. You can use it for thumbnail research, for deep research into your topic, and you can use it for script writing, amongst other tools that AI does. So this is the best time to start a faceless channel, because AI will take you to the next level. It's not just for writing. AI can do a lot more: organization, project planning, and helps you manage your team as well. Even in editing, in video editing, AI has its place. So start leveraging AI right now. So when you compare a personal branded channel like this one you're watching and a faceless channel, AI will be more applicable to a faceless channel because people do not see who you are. So even if you're from Nigeria or from Kenya, you could still use an AI text-to-speech to voice over the script, and people from US will watch your video without realizing that you're from one village in Africa. This is just something that is wonderful. It has never happened in the past. The third reason why you need to start a faceless YouTube channel right now is that you can reach the entire world. What many people do not realize is that for you to succeed as a personal brand owner where you show your face, you have to have a great personality. Either you have humor, you speak very well, you are very charismatic. If you lack all of those qualities, it may be difficult for people to follow you. I know I'm not the best person when it comes to being charismatic. That is why I decided to start a faceless channel, and then I'm growing this one gradually, baby steps. My leverage on this channel is sharing my experiences with my channel. I'm not trying to portray the best personality or to make people laugh. I'm not so good at all of those things. So if you lack all of those things, stop trying to force it on yourself. Simply focus on creating value via your faceless YouTube channel. You will make more money in that process. And by the time you have grown your faceless channel to a real business that generates at least $500 to $1,000 per month, you could build a team to help you do a lot of the work, and even open another faceless channel upon faceless channel, different world, multiple channels that will be generating you income. Remember what I said, you can reach the entire world. A video that is faceless can reach anyone because nobody knows who created it. Even if those in Australia, for example, do not want to watch videos from those in Africa because of their accents, it's not their fault. It could be very difficult for them to understand what we are saying in English. But by the time you use an AI text-to-speech to do that documentary, to narrate the script, then it becomes easier for people all around the world to watch your video. And this is really very crucial, because if you want to make money from YouTube partner program, which is AdSense, you need to target those high CPM countries. and they include the developed countries like US, Canada, Australia, UK, Germany. Those are the ones you need to target. You need your viewers to come from those countries. So that is why it's important for you to start a channel that has no limits. This channel that I am on right now, some people may see me from the US and they'll pick up. Maybe because my studio is not 100% professional. It's not like MKBHD studio. It's not like any of those American studio. It's mine. But I'm focusing on my Faceless YouTube channel. Remember, reaching a broader audience, I'm talking about the entire world, is a lot easier when you have a Faceless channel than when you have a personal channel. You can attest to you that if you had a personal channel where your face shows, your views are just nothing to write home about, maybe 100 views, 200 views. And if you are already past that threshold, you are like 1,000, 2,000. In Africa today, I can count the YouTubers that are pretty famous. There are just a few of them. Yes, there are a few of them. The most successful ones, like those Tayo I know, there are just a few of them. Nduku, Steven Nduku, there are not many of them. Because of the limitations we have in everything, personality, our accent, and the ability we have to create valuable videos, because nobody is holding us down. It is just us and how we go about creating videos. So reaching the entire world is really very important when you have a Faceless YouTube channel. It gives you that opportunity to reach the entire world. And now the fourth reason why you need to start a Faceless YouTube channel today is because you can sell it. This is my underlying reason for starting a Faceless YouTube channel. I can sell it whenever I deem fit. So if I need cash, I need to raise maybe a large sum of money like $20,000, $40,000, and then I have a Faceless channel that is generating 500, 1,000, 1.5, then I can sell it for up to 45 times whatever you're aiming. So if my Faceless channel is earning $500 every month, the industry standard is that I will sell it for 30 to 45 times the earnings today. So if you times $500 times 30, let us be conservative here, you will get about $15,000 from selling your YouTube channel. If you go the extra mile with a healthy Faceless channel and you sell it for 45 times whatever you're earning, it means if you're earning $500 times 45 times, you will earn about $21,000 or $22,000 from selling your site. Contrast this to a personal branded channel. It will be hard for me to sell this channel because of my face. Investors, entrepreneurs, businesses, brands may not want to buy this channel right now because there's nothing special about it. It's just me speaking to you. Yes, I'm bringing value. But because I'm here, they can see my face. That is a limitation. So they can't turn it into a product. But they can buy my Faceless channel in a finance niche. Even a bank in the US could buy it and then turn it into a more profitable venture. If you want a channel that you can sell down the line, a Faceless channel is the direction to take. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a like. And I will see you in the next one.